Hiya kids, hope you're all well. We are back again with a new vid. This time we're going to look at the TRIMM TRAB. This is a shoe that is very much related to the city of Liverpool. The whole sort of original casual scene way back when. So Adidas have actually brought out the Rivalry pack, so that's two colourways. You've got a red colourway for Liverpool FC and a blue colourway for Everton FC. Now I've got a few blue pairs, as you can see. I just got a few out. Maybe we can compare them to the new issue. So I've always wanted a red pair, so that's what I plumped for in the end. So let's crack open the box and take a look inside. So there you go, quite a simple shoe, but iconic, and you know, really referenced in the city of Liverpool, as I said before. Now this Rivalry pack does have a little secret, or a badly kept secret really. It's got the latitude and longitude of what I believe is the centre of Stanley Park. So it's a nice little touch that. So that's the public park that sits in between both Everton and Liverpool. So, I mean, as you can see, they've got a really nice shape to these. You know, there's no issues with that at all. We will do a toe to tongue on these. Retail £75, which is really reasonable, to be honest with you. We'll move around to the heel tab. Again, a fairly basic shoe, but it is iconic. Now, there are a few people have said that these sit quite high compared to previous iterations of the shoe. Now, what I've got here sort of shows that they don't really, to be honest. It's very, very minimal, if anything. You know, we can compare a couple of different issues from down the years here. So they're really, you know, they're more or less on par with what we've had in the past. If we compare them to the Munchen, you know, very little difference there. So I wouldn't worry about these. They've always been chunky shoes. Not overly comfortable, if I'm honest. This sole unit tends to act as one piece, which, you know, it's not as comfortable, certainly as a few of the shoes in my most recent videos. But, you know, they are iconic, and, you know, it's such a simple yet I mean, effective design piece, especially in a bright colourway such as the reds here. Really do like these shoes. They yeah, they stand out from the crowd, which is what it was all about when the young lads were picking these up way back in the early 80s, etc. So yeah, really nice, simple shoe. Nice to see the nod to Liverpool. Yeah, that's about it, guys, really. So there will be more on the way. I'll pop these on foot now so you can take a look. I will catch you all next time. Take care and enjoy your weekend. Cheers.
I'm an ordinary fella 6 days of the week, but Saturday turn into a football freak. I'm a schizo fanatic, sad but it's true. One half of me's red, the other half's blue. I can't make me mind up which team to support, whether to lean to starboard or port. I'd be bisexual if I had time for sex, 'cause it's Goodison one week and Anfield the next. But the worst time of all is Derby Day. One half of me's at home and the other's away. So I get down there early, all ready for battle, with me rainbow scarf and me two-tone rattle. And I'm shouting for Latchford, the Reds can't lose. Come on, McDermott, get in there, Blues. Give it to Dalgleish, what a pudding. King of the Cup, all of a sudden, whop, goal, offside. And after the match, as I walk back alone, it's argue, all the way home. Some nights when I'm drunk, I've even let fly and give myself a poke in the eye. But in front of the fire, watching Match of the Day, tired but happy, I look at it this way. Part of me's lost, and part of me's won. I've had twice the heartaches, but I've had twice the fun.